Okay, so in this video I just want to discuss the app eDrawings. In particular, I want to talk about its ability to use augmented reality to display your CAD files in reality. So this is the eDrawings app. I've just opened up the website where it shows you where you can get the app itself. It's just eDrawings, you can see here. eDrawings is usually downloaded as a part of SolidWorks. If you already have that, you can make these eDrawing files themselves, which are just basically CAD files. Now you can see that you can get it on the app stores for both Android and Apple, as you can see here. And when you've downloaded, it might cost you between €2 and €9 depending on the version that you buy. And how it basically works is that you need to first of all open up a SolidWorks file that you would like to show in augmented reality. In this case, I'm going to use this wrench. Now, all you have to do is you have to either select your part file or your assembly where you have multiple parts, and then you go to save it, go to save as. But instead of saving it as your normal SolidWorks assembly file or SolidWorks part file, you save it as an eDrawing file. So if I work my way down here and look for eDrawing, be right here, and then you can now save this as an eDrawing. Then all you have to do is send that file itself over to your phone. If that is through one of the various methods, you can bring it over to your phone. And once you bring it over to your phone, it's going to look like this. So you're going to be able to access your eDrawings app, which you'll have downloaded. You'll then be able to select the drawing itself. So we're just going to select this pipe wrench. And then we're going to click on the AR button. It's going to bring you to your camera. You have to have this QR code printed out, or this marker itself. And then what it does, it shows you that object 1:1 as how you designed it to the exact measurements in front of you through the camera. You can walk around this, you can select different parts and they highlight them. The more parts you have, the more numbers you'll have down along the right hand side to select from. Now, I'm also going to show you how this can be used in classroom setting. So this is just a bit of a conveyor belt that one of the students made in a past module. And what we wanted them to do was to design a system to basically sort different colored boxes. Now, by augmenting this 1:1 and putting it here before it's manufactured, we can see that there's some measurements off. It doesn't line up with the top of the conveyor belt, as well as it's missing some important aspects to make it work appropriately. You can also, I suppose, bring in quite large objects, such as this claw, and you can also walk around that. So let's say, for instance, if you had a piece of furniture and you wanted to see what it looked like in the corner of a room, that you can manufacture that in SolidWorks and then use this to display it in augmented reality.